Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to embed O365 and Google documents within our CMS. Now, I have linked our knowledge base article in the description below just so you can look over this information prior to getting started. So for our first step, what we're going to have to do is get a shareable link from our OneDrive. So what we're going to do here is I have a test document and we're going to hit the share icon. And what I want to do is set it to anyone with this link can edit, and then I'm going to copy that link. And then now that I have that link, what I want to do is go into our canvas. So now that we're here, we want to go ahead and select our custom widget. I'm just going to go ahead and drag it into our canvas. And now that I've done this, let's go ahead and resize it so it takes up our entire canvas. And in the main properties, we want to select URL. It's going to auto-populate a Wikipedia, but what we want to do is we just want to replace that with our link. But you're going to notice this is going to give us an error. So we need to grab some text from our knowledge base article here. The link is in the description below. So take this little snippet here, and what we want to do is we want to paste this onto the end of our link. So now that we're back in our canvas, let's show how that's done. We have our URL that we already pasted. Let's navigate to the end, and let's just paste in that piece of text here. As you see, it's now populated. And now you can start to see our document here in our canvas. Now that you see all this information, we can go ahead and make this interactive, meaning that once this is being previewed, we can go ahead and sort of navigate through the document, scroll through other pages if we'd like. This same origin option, as you see, it brings in some of the OneDrive UI. So let's go ahead and save this, and let's preview. Now, as I mentioned, since we set this as interactive in our preview mode, we can now scroll through and go to the second page here. This could be done if you had a touch screen as well. But now that we've done this, let's go ahead and focus on how we would do this for Google. So for Google, the process is almost the exact same. As you can see, I'm in a Google Sheet here, and we're gonna go to File, Publish to Web. And now once we've done this, we need to publish this document. So we're going to click Publish, OK. Now instead of using the link they provided, we want to go to Embed, and we want to highlight the link within there. So within the quotation marks, let's go ahead and select the text. We're going to copy it. And now what we want to do is we want to take this link and bring it into our custom widget in our canvas. So now that we're back at our canvas, let's go ahead and bring in our custom widget. Drag and drop that. Let me resize it as well so it takes up the entirety of the canvas. And now for content type, let's select URL, and I'm going to paste that link. Almost the same process as when doing it with OneDrive. So as you noticed, we now have it populating there in the center of the canvas. We have interactive and same origin selected as well. And now if we preview, you'll see that we have the information here, as well as the option to select different sheets if we had some. So that's going to be it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please send us an email at sales@wallboard.info. See you next time.